Building a car is like a never-ending storytelling. Why? Okay, game. Kwentuhan tayo. Today is 86 day, and I want to tell you all our journey with this Project A86. Mahaba tong video na to, pero let's go. Alam nyo guys, let's start off with the car itself. This car came from Merville, Parañaque. With the help of our good friend Justin, nakita natin tong kotse na to. That time, inawitan natin siya kay Tito, nagmakaawa tayo na ibenta sa atin tong kotseng to. Kasi to be honest, we want an A86. But guys, we got it for a good price, at least. Kasi kala natin jackpot na tayo. We really got it for like less than 500,000. But there was no engine, no interior, no wiring at all, and that was crazy. Kasi guys, nung dinala na natin sa shop, after a year, hindi natin siya mapaandar kahit nabilan na natin siya ng makina because of the wiring, because all of those stuff that connects the engine to the body and everything, because the body harness is very important. Guess what? We bought another A86 just to build this car for the wiring and of course the interior. I'll show you the car right here.
Bye-bye. See you in Manila.
But guys, marami pang kwento. Let's go with the engine naman. Ngayon, sa makina naman tayo. Sa totoo lang, itong makina na to, simple lang. Walang masyadong arte. This is a blacktop 4AGE ITB that came from an AE111 automatic. Sa totoo lang, kala natin, sariwa yung makina. Pero, pina-rebuild din natin siya kay Ludwig Engine Pros, which cost us medyo masakit din. That time, pinikitan ko na lang din talaga kasi umuusok na konti yung tambucho natin. So ngayon, we paid around 200,000+ including the tuning and everything. But guys, we're very thankful kasi ngayon nagagamit natin siya when we want to. But to be honest, tinirik na tayo ng kotseng to a lot of times. You guys know that in NLEX, in Skyway, everywhere, there's a ton of times na tumirik tong kotseng to. But hindi pa rin tayo nag-give up because a project car is a project car and that's the life of it. Pero sa totoo lang, ang nagpo-push talaga sa atin when we're using this car is the sound of the ITBs, which is paparinig ko sa inyo yun. But I just want to give a huge shout out to our oil sponsor, the Totachi Oil. Of course, sobrang inalagaan tayo ng Totachi for our cars, even this 4AGE. And ngayon, to be honest, papalitan na natin tong M-Track natin for a new set of M-Track batteries because it's been there for like 2-3 years already. Guys, sobrang tagal na yan ever since we built this car. Yan yung first battery. Now, I'll let you hear the ITBs of the 4AGE of our A86. Let's go! Ngayon, sa mags naman. Alam nyo naman na addict tayo sa mga mags. Itong mags na to, itong 14x7 zero offset TE37 that we got. Mahaba yung kwento nito, pero let's go. Guys, itong 4 na piraso na to, chinek in natin to from Japan, going here in Manila. We got it from our very good friend, Harada-san in Japan. Kasi pinahanap ko talaga sa kanya to, Harada-san, help us with this set of wheels because I really wanted this 14-inch OG TE37. Mahaba talaga yung pinagdaanan nito. Literal, 3 maleta nilagyan natin to para lang mauwi. But guys, here it is. Papakita ko pa sa inyo yung isang set natin. Let's go. Ngayon, ito naman yung long champs natin, which is I really like this because if you know wheels siya. So guys, bagong polish siya ngayon kasi gusto natin na medyo bling naman yung kotse natin. This one came from the third A86 that we bought. Talagang di natin sinama sa pagbenta because I really want these wheels. So this is the second set for the A86. Meron pa tayong third set which is the 15-inch TE37 V Pro. 15x8 zero offset, brand new natin nakuha yun. And guys, that wheels is really nice. Sobrang ganda rin, pero next time na natin siya gagamitin, wag muna ngayon. All of these tires are equipped with Cyloon tires. These are eco tires, especially this one. This is an Atrezo Eco. Guys, nakakatawa. Ang dami ng pinagdaanan ng mga gulong nito. Legit, sagad camber, 6.5 harap, parehas negative. Pinangtatrack natin, binabiyahin natin sa Clark, binabiyahin natin sa Tagaytay, everywhere. Never tayo binigo ng gulong na to, I swear to God. Guys, I'm really happy with this Cyloon tires Kasi sa totoo lang, never tayo binigo, never tayo inaksidente, which we are thankful for. Ngayon guys, interior naman kasi napakaselan natin sa interior. Siyempre, ito yung nakuha natin from the other A86. Kompleto talaga interior neto. Pero pinaalkantara natin yung dashboard kasi gusto natin ng iba naman, di ba? Pero like yung shift knob natin, OEM lang yan kasi gusto natin ng very, very OEM-ish. Pero lahat ng nakikita nyo, gumagana. Ang lamig ng aircon, naka-sounds tayo, and of course, the steering wheel, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. This came from Momo. This is a very limited Momo steering wheel, which I like. Pero meron tayong extra set na renowned steering wheel right there. This is the red one. Guys, the seats are the Recaro RMS that we got from XLR. Sobrang love natin tong upuan na to. The interior is pretty much simple and we're really happy how it looks like. Even the quick release, it came from DLC. It is a local brand, guys. So yan yung mga simple lang natin na gusto gawin sa interior. And I'm really happy. Ngayon, hindi pwede mabigo yung stance ng auto natin. This stance is really, really not forgiving anyone. Kasi itong harap na to, 6.5 negative sa, and at the back, wala talaga spacers agad para ma-achieve natin tong itsurang to. This really made a lot of work. Sa totoo lang, ang hirap gawin ng ganitong tindig. And when we're driving it, medyo mahirap, pero sa totoo lang, kailangan natin ng pogi. Bawal lang supot yung stance, which I really do love for this A86 because our stance talagang pinagpaguran and pinaghirapan natin siya. Guys, kukwentuhan ko pa kayo ng konti, ha? Kasi marami pa talaga tayong kwento, pero mahaba na yung video. This car, napamahal na talaga siya sa atin. The paint, to be honest, pinikitan lang din natin, pinagawa natin out of nowhere, and then the carbon chin and everything. Ang dami pa natin ginawa sa kotseng to that we literally had so much idea for the car. Even the PIA wipers, those are the supporters, the Manila fitted stickers, every sticker that's been put in this car, it means a lot. Sa totoo lang, from friends, family, and yung mga nakilala mo talaga sa journey. Because building a car is not just about the car itself. Sa totoo lang, building a car is all about making friends, good community, and inspiring people. Sa totoo lang, walang kwenta lahat ng sinabi ko kasi gusto ko lang magkwento sa inyo. But this car, I'm proud of it because we're really, really happy to show it to the people that eventually, malay nyo, ito rin yung build nyo next time. Yes, the A86 build is partly complete kasi matlayo pa talaga tayo sa katotohanan. But we're still happy, always happy to share it to you guys. So yes, this is our Project A86. Happy 86th day, guys. I hope you liked it. See you guys soon. Bye. Dadagdagan ko pa ng kwento. Marami pa talagang pyesa tong kotseng to. As in, maraming. May nose cut frame pa to. Tapos may clear taillights, may clear ilaw sa harap. Ang dami pa nating spare sa mga kotseng to. Sa totoo lang. Pero yun nga, parte naman talaga yung kailangan natin mag-hoard para sa mga ganitong kotse. So guys, alam nyo yan, nag-uwi tayo ng ganito kalaking box na gas tank, brand new, chinek-in natin sa Japan, going here. So yung mga ganong kwentong yun, sinasabi ko sa inyo, project cars are a storytelling. Kasi ganun talaga. Pag gusto nyo makipagkwentuhan about the car, all throughout, di tayo matatapos kasi ang dami nating kwento about our project cars. So yun, I hope you like it kasi dinagdag ko lang to. Wala lang, trip ko lang. See you!